Welcome everyone to another exciting session under the season of agents. Today, we're thrilled to have Yash Gupta with us. A very warm welcome, Yash. Over to you.
Thank you very much, Kavya. Good morning, everyone. So, today we are talking about. Firstly, I'll introduce myself. I'm Yash Gupta and I'm a student of BTech Computer Science and Engineering. So, today we are talking about Meet Your Mini Me. So, what do you mean about Mini Me? Like, it's a personal AI agents in Azure. Azure basically provides AI agents to build, to create, or to build from scratch. Like AI agents can help you in texting someone. Like you can automate it and it can text in behalf of you. You can send emails. You can post story on Instagram. Whether you want to add something or whether you want to text something, whether you want to upload, whether you want to download, AI agents is everywhere and you can use it, customize it and made it from scratch according to your means. So let's we jump on to the next slide. So I'll share this screen at the last, then where you can earn your badge from the Microsoft official website. So now today first we will discuss about what are today's agenda, like Copilot Studio, building agents, autonomous agents, and extensibility. Firstly, we have talking about AI agents. So how can we build it and how are AI agents particularly built upon? So Copilot Studio is the way you can start and make your journey to creating AI agents itself. So Copilot Studio is one of the AI-enabled low-code platform for from the Microsoft services. Like we have Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, and Copilot Studio is one of the platform where you can create your own AI agents either from scratch, either low-code, or either pre-built just by giving prompts to it. So the question is every mind, how are businesses using AI to transform and drive impact? How are AI to in today's world is driving businesses, is driving the world? So let's first we understand about what is Copilot and what is agents. So Copilot works as your personal assistant, like your personal guide. Like it will write emails for you. Like earlier you have used ChatGPT or someone has used Claude Sonnet. So it's the UI for AI. You can say we give prompts to it and then the answers will be given to us, and based upon the answers or the responses we act upon something. Like if we code upon something, we chat gpt like I have to order something, please create a this and that or create an email, so we can go over chat gpt or copilot, it will give the answers. On the other hand, agents or AI agents are connected or autonomously work. Like it can work on the behalf of the person that are using it. Like I want to send a mail to someone and it is a regular task. Like if I have a bundle of 50 emails and I have to send email accordingly to them, and responses also. Like if I get any response from them, then I also get a response. Then I have not much time, or either in businesses or business officials have not much time to react or give reply to everyone, so they can deploy an AI agent there and it can trigger options. It can, like I get a response, like continuously create a response and send it to it. So it's the AI agents that is work on the behalf of you. Now let's agents you build tailored. Agents are tailored according to your needs, to your processes, and it is work upon mostly it is mostly used in businesses, like for cost effectiveness and for lower man workforce. It can easily implement and it can easily replace the labor force and the cost that are being implemented into the businesses. Now, what is Copilot and how can we build AI agents? So, Copilot is a AI product. It is basically a conversational, like we have a conversation between the user and the Copilot Studio, and then we work upon the AI, and the AI is built from the model or from the scratch. Now, Copilot industry is everywhere. Like it can be, it you can see that it is also into the market. It is also into the market, customer services, sales, security operations, software developers, or you can as knowledge workers, like it can use as a say, email requirement or data AI prompts. So jumping on to the next, how can we create powerful agents? Like it can be built and tested together, complex, boost your conversations, and continuous self-learning and improvement. Now, how can I actually build these agents? We are talking about what is AI agent and what is the tool used for AI agent. Now, how can we build that actual thing? Now, firstly, we need to create an AI agent or an particularly an agent. Then we'll design the conversation. Designing the conversation is something that you customize or fine tune your model. Like if we are talking about sales, they AI agent will be particularly focused on sales. Now, if we are talking about finance, the AI agent will be talking about only finance. So, firstly, we need to decide how are how is the conversation to us and from the AI will work upon. Now we are from building AI agents. Now third point, publish to different channels. Like we have created our AI agent into our system. Now we have to deploy or publish or into and inject into other channels also. Like if we have a network, then we have to connect it over network so other employees or other personals can use it and control and improve. It's the most important, like it's the loop. Firstly we design, second we create an AI agent, thirdly we publish it to the different network or channels, fourth we control and improve. With the time, with the advent of time, we have to improve that AI agent. Like how are the major trends of that particular thing is going on, how is the particular field is changing, and what are the new technologies that we are seeing into that particular field. So Copilot Studio, how can we create it? Firstly, we go to the Copilot Studio and create an agent. Secondly, we chat over the knowledge. Chat over the knowledge means we give a conversation to the AI agent, and how are we getting the responses from that, and how and we are training the AI or the AI agent that how should he should give it as a response to the other person. Then we add logic to the topics. Like if there is something like related to some reasoning, then we had to add it also. The AI agent is not only for the conversation, but it is also the logical being into into the system. It is a replica of the human being. So it have to be intelligent, it have to be knowledgeful, and it have to be logical. It shouldn't give illogical answers to the responses. Second, and then the fourth, action and plugins. Like we have to inject it on our email, we have to add it to our Chrome, we had to edit our Instagram, so we had to create another plugins for it, and multiple channels. Like we have to add for telephone, we have to Microsoft, we have Facebook, Telegram, Instagram. So it's based upon the user, how is he using the AI agent with what platform. Then Copilot Studio also offers monitor and improvement. Like how is the AI agent giving responses, it is also getting the feedback from the users, like how accurate the answer, so you can improve and diagnose your AI agent how it should work. Or maybe you can publish it for the commercial purposes also for the future. So you can improve here. Copilot Studio also gives you the complete chart over a period of time, like 1 month, 3 months, so you can understand how your AI is working, and you can extend it using Azure. Like if you have to deploy over the internet, you can use Azure properties. Now, there are basically fourth ways for building AI agents onto the Copilot Studio. Firstly, we have pre-built agent. Like you can quickly go to something, like we have a safe travels, we have website Q&A, share operations. You can quickly jump onto it, start a conversation, and get responses. Secondly, we have natural language. We talk in English. You talk in English. The answer AI agent will give answers to it, and you can directly use plugins and then build a conversation, and then you train your model over your conversation. We have to do not, it is the zero code AI agent platform where you can directly give prompts to the AI, and it will generate the responses. Then it will understand the context what you are talking about, whether it is sales, whether it is finance, whether it is about coding, whether is it about fashion, whether it is about fitness. The AI agent will understand the context and give you responses accordingly. Then the visual canvas. Any one of you have used Figma or Canva, then basically understand what is visual canvas, where you can create or modify your own UI UX, and then based upon the low code graphical interface, like if you have conversation behind, and then you are designing the UI UX, then you are customizing where the symbols are, where are your agents will work upon, how is your plugin work upon Instagram, upon Telegram, etc. And the fourth, you all know, coding Python is also basically what Copilot Studio provides you a four ways pre-built agent: natural language processing, visual canvas, and coding. Like if you have a coding enthusiast or you want to be a developer particularly, then you can also use Copilot Studio for the coding and building your own AI agent. Now we have talked about, in two previous slides, we have talked about logic. Now logic comes under the critical scenarios, like how is the AI agent is giving responses step by step. It is not just the answers that the AI agent will already learn by itself. You have to talk about first the context, what you are talking about. Second, how are you talking about? And third, what are you talking about? The agent should be familiarized to the logic, to the context, and to the responses that he will expect to get from the user. Then he will generate or customize dialogue or the responses for it, and then it will go to the responses and plugins, and then it will go to the contact center, whether it is on the Instagram, whether it is on the Telegram, whether it is on the email, then it will go on to it. Now chat canvas, like these are the links that you can use or take a screenshot of it. You can also, like, it is the customized AI agent. If we talking about chat, like I have created this for the air ticket flights booking. So I've created this AI flight agent where you can use agent, understand where are the passengers are going and how is the ticket is going. And these are the channels, like how are you connecting these AI agents. You want to connect over Twilio, you want to connect it over Skype, you want to connect directly into your mobile phone, or you want to direct connect on your Facebook. So you can directly create a channel here and directly convert it into your own AI agent work. Let me continue further. Like these are the actions on pre-built connectors. We'll not jump into the technicalities. It will take upon 2 to 3 hours, and I'm only restricted to some half an hour also. So now you can see the interface here. I have taken the screenshot here. uh, we have, in this section we have customized copilots or AI agents. Like if you have to convert voice, Microsoft product support, safe travels copilot. Like this is a safe pilot. I'm just jumping onto it. Like this is a safe travels copilot. This is the already trained model into the AI, into the Copilot Studio, and I've just customized its UI for the minimal. And these are also, you can use over Copilot Studio. This is the website. You can go upon or take a screenshot of it: copilotstudio.preview.microsoft.com. Here you can create your own AI agent, not just from catch. You can just use it, create your plugin, and just create use on your channels. See this the topic, and you can just create a topic. Like this is a video over it, and you can directly create a message or create a prompt, and then you can directly trigger your AI agent to work upon, like what's the context and how are you assigned to give it a response. Now we are talking about autonomous agents. Here we have talked about Copilot Studio and something like it is working upon something that is already built upon. Autonomous agents work independently. It improves or learns from itself. While you give a context, it improves. Now we are talking about autonomous agents. Like it will help employees to resolve issues. Firstly, we have to trigger it. The trigger is mostly upon a message or a text or a reply to it. The agent follows your prompt. Like we have seen, there is a message over a mail over Outlook, and the message follows that I am a new employee and would you like to select my work device? Can I also please schedule an overboarding session with a technician? On understanding this, the AI agent will automatically read and understand what the responder is talking about. Then it will create a list of data or the knowledge that it is collected over it, and then you can select which option is to be chosen to be sent, and then the agent will directly send to the response to the responder. Here, the mediocre or the middleman, that is watchman, that is the watchman of the email. Like I have got a response, then I have to write something, then I have to send it to it. It's gone. AI agent just work on the behalf of that person. It will automatically read, it will generate responses, it will directly send the response to the responder. Now it is used over many like IT help desk services. We have to create emails, or we have to employ onboarding. Like if we have a HR data, or he is providing deadlines or training programs to his employees or her employees, so it can directly send the email using the AI agent created over Copilot Studio, and it will directly be mailed to the interns or the new job comers. So it will also reduce the job of the HR. And talking about the third, sales and services, like if we have cold emails, we have handling complaints, we can directly handle complaints through the AI agents. Now, I've already talked about customized AI. Like we have four ways into it. Firstly, no code and low code. Low code is Microsoft Copilot Studio and pro code is Azure AI Foundry. Currently, I'm only talking about Microsoft Copilot Studio. It's about the low code. Like I have seen, you give a conversation, you give your text, or either you can code. Your coding is a bit of pro coding, but I'm into the low code. So low code about you give a context, you give a conversation, or you can build your custom AI, and then you can jump onto your AI agent. You can directly publish it and give it to the plugins or the whichever platform you want to it, whether it is Instagram or something. Now, critical scenario based responses, like how are these use cases? Critical scenario based responses, like talked about HR. Like if we have a interns, like if we have a mail of hiring 20 interns, and we have to enter in, and the HR is assigned to hire 20 people in 10 days, and he's not getting any responses from it, or he's too busy in his work, so he can directly create an AI agent there, and it can create critical responses to the interns whether they are hired or not. Horizontal workflows, like if we have talked about mail sending, or we have talked about autonomous agents, like we have to work parallelly into it, then we can directly deploy our AI agents. We don't have to work parallelly or think parallelly. AI agents is there to work upon your tasks. Plugin and chat GPTs, like I have talked about Instagram. You can directly post your social media. You can directly post on something on Facebook. So you can directly use a plugin or connect your business data. Like AI agent will analyze your data upon sales, on your marketing, on your how is your finance working, how is your HR human resources working. So AI agent will directly jump onto it and give you the particular stats over it. So we have prompt plugins, conversational plugins, connector plugins. You can take a screenshot of it. I'm not just digging into this, so you can take a screenshot over it. It will be good. Now, Power Apps and Power Pages, we can jump from it. Now, the most important thing is Copilot Studio and Azure. Azure, I'm not just talking about the Azure. I'm talking about Azure AI. Azure AI is just a particular best I've seen to create your own AI models. Like I've got some, I tell you in a live demonstration also. I'll share my entire screen, right? So now my entire screen is sharing, and now I'll just jump onto Azure AI. Like we click onto it, Azure AI Foundry. Now this is the website you can go upon and create your own wa- I- AI agents. Or I've also talked about Copilot Studio. Let me give you a brief about it. Like you can directly search Copilot Studio, and the first link will go onto that official website. Here, here you can sign up, open Copilot Chat, or the download that app. It will require you a sign in. It will automatically sign in, and then you can start your own Microsoft AI agent work upon. Now I have to create something. I think it's the wrong. This is the website, and you can directly AI for every day. This is the official website of Copilot Studio where you can create your own AI agents. So I'll just close it and jump onto the Azure AI Foundry. Like some of you have already heard about Azure. Now uh, I'll just jump onto the work. Um, I think like these are the tasks. Yeah. Like in the Azure AI Foundry, this is the link you can also download, or you can copy that from, and you can get hundreds of pre-trained models where you can use them and use it for like O3, O4 Mini, GPT-1, DeepSeek, Mistral Small, and you can train it for you. Like you can give a conversation, you can edit as a code, or you can give a custom AI to it. And and to use it, I've talked about that you can use as a plugins. Like it is saying models 9 to 1922. Like it's over these types of AI models that Azure AI is presenting to you. You can use it and create a plugin, customize it, and just use it whether you are working or not. So I'll just stop my screen and start the PPT2. I think my screen is visible for that. Now we are talking about Azure and the Copilot Studio. Like we can, it is not about that only we are using Copilot Studio, or we are talking about Azure. Like I have talked about both of them, and you can use both to create your task very quickly. You can create an AI agent, you can automate your task in a few seconds. Like firstly we have content creation. You can write a poem over Copilot Studio, and it is used for image generation. Like I've talked about GPT-4 or the Mistral. You can directly create a content or create an image according to your prompts. Secondly, AI search. AI search is just about the conversational experiences. How is the conversation is going on? How can we make a AI talk like a human, more in a human language? Or we are talking about natural processing language. How is the language of the AI is talking, and how it is resembling the human talking language. Thirdly, we have language services. We have to talk about various languages, not about just English. We have German, we have Hindi, we have Kannada, we have Russian, we have many languages. And it will talk about AI should understand multiple languages, and it should support over multiple languages. So we are not restraining it to one single language. We are expanding its domain. We have a telemetry, we have analytics, we have solution development, we have language model development. Like you can create an AI model to create more AI model. You can train a AI model, and then you can train it over such like that it can help you, or it can create an another AI model. Like it's about learning, and then it is about the agent is also learning, and it is also teaching other AI agents to work just like another AI agent. Now we have talked about analytics. Analytics just not about business management. It's you can use as a personal budget handler, or college students, or any personal who are into the business, or just want to share their budget, or want to how track their expenses and profits. They can use it. So that's it from me. You can scan this QR code and get a AI skill badge over Microsoft official website. And these are the Copilot and the AI Azure AI QR code. You can scan over it or take a screenshot over it, so you can directly jump onto what we are talking about in the last 30 to 45 minutes. And this is my LinkedIn. You can directly tag me into the LinkedIn, or use these hashtags, hashtag AI agent, hashtag Copilot Studio, hashtag Azure AI, and hashtag AI Skillfest. You can connect over me, and also do not forget me to tag over your social media or LinkedIn. Thank you very much.